Hey guys, the great news is that I have adopted a zero waste living. So guys, I have adopted a zero waste living, and what does that mean? Have I turned into a minimalist and these are the only clothes that you will be seeing me in all my Instagram photos and videos and on YouTube as well? No, no, no. So zero waste living is technically a term, but it does not mean only zero waste, it means low waste. And I have tried to see so many videos where all these girls are saying that this tiny thing is a garbage bag which I have collected garbage in for the past 10 days, and when I was throwing 10 bags of garbage out every day, it was really frustrating. The what do you call it, the person in me who was caring for the environment was screaming out loud. My antaratma who cared for the environment was cursing me, Mitali, you're polluting our earth. And once I was just passing from somewhere and it read on the billboard that there is no second earth, there is no earth plan B, and that really dawned on me. I took it as a sign from God and I started composting. So how is zero waste living and composting connected? Zero waste living, or essentially low waste living, means that I do not consume a lot of plastic, I do not consume a lot of paper, I do not consume anything which harms the environment. Now you'll tell me that paper is completely okay, it is biodegradable, but no. To make paper, trees are cut. And plastic, of course, plastic does not decompose for 500 odd years. So long after we are gone, the plastic that I have used will still be on planet Earth, and I want to conserve my planet Earth for my kids and hundreds of generations to come. So what am I doing? I am composting. Now, composting, there are 3-4 types of composting and people get very confused, and there are a lot of myths surrounding composting, but that will be another video because I can go on and on and on about it. But there are 3 types of composting basically. There is aerobic composting, there is anaerobic composting, and then there is vermicomposting. Now, the composting that I am doing is called as aerobic composting. So what do I do? Composting is just a matter of time, it's a matter of habit. So essentially we all have a lot of garbage in our house, right? And just go and check what your garbage is. Essentially it'll be 2 things. It'll be plastic, it'll be paper, and it'll be kitchen waste. Now the 10 bags that I was throwing out, 10 out of 8 bags were kitchen waste. Now what am I doing with the kitchen waste? I collect kitchen waste just for a day and then I put it in my daily dump composter. Now why am I taking this brand's name? Is it a branded activity? Absolutely not. So I'm just talking about daily dump composter because to make a composter or to take a matka and make holes in it is a very tedious process. Hence I save time and energy and ordered a daily dump composter. Now how does it work? So I've collected kitchen waste. Now what I'll be doing is that I will be putting it in the daily dump composter or any composter for that matter. I also had a matka composter where I took matka, put holes in it and started composting. It's very easy. Now what do? I've collected kitchen waste, I added in the composter, I cover it with a layer of cocoa peat and old compost. So the soil which is already turned into a compost. So this by Daily Dump guys, they call it remix powder, which is a fantastic and a modern name with a cool twist to cocoa peat and old compost. Now I put this layer, on top of that I put a layer of this remix powder and I cover it up with newspaper. Tomorrow when I have a fresh batch of the organic kitchen waste that I have, I do not see a dirty dabba, I see a clean newspaper, and I keep on layering this till my first bin is completely full. Then I transfer my first bin to the second bin, and the second bin is completely empty. I put it up and this process continues. It generally takes about 1.5 to 2 months depending on the humidity, dryness, wetness or whatever moisture is in your air. But so basically guys, I have turned my kachra into black gold, which is soil. It is rich soil filled with carbon, nitrogen, whatever your plants need. And I cannot be more happy because my waste has gone from 10 kachra bags to just one kachra bag. Now what am I doing with the plastic? I am collecting all these plastic bottles and I am giving it for recycling. So that reduces my kachra down to even lesser than one bag, and I couldn't have been happier. So composting is equal to zero waste living, but composting is something which I think everyone in their building should try. And even if I like convert the person who's shooting this video into a composter, then I win, because I am reducing almost 1 million ton of garbage. That is what per family contributes in 1 year. So guys, this is an eye opener. This was an eye opener for me, and it is my very own sweet way of saving your planet Earth without adding any kind of limitations on people, without changing the lifestyle that I have, without doing something really drastic, and without investing any kind of money and time in it. So if you like this video, do at least try composting once. It consumes only as much space as your two branded shoes. So do give it a try. Do let me know how you like this video. Subscribe, comment, and most importantly, start composting.